My boys, my boys, my boys. When that two-stroke pop, tell me who want to smoke with us. 12 o'clock on your block, this Zuma scraping, it won't stop. Make these 70s rip, this caster smell like piss. In that balance point can't miss. Get behind me, throttle up and hit.
Alright boys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be going on another night ride. I thought this would be a perfect video to show you guys this here wheelie light that I get asked about on a lot of my videos. That light right there. That's what we're going to be showing you guys today. So Zuma makes these lights just like the headlights we got here, and these are now plug and play into your Zuma. So when you're going on a little night ride like we're going to be doing later and you're on these back trails and you can't see absolute, this is what you need for your bike right here. It's going to help you not hit something and not hit people that are probably in front of you that can't see you coming. So we got a package in from Zuma today. We're going to open that up, throw it on the bike, and show you guys how you can hook up your Zuma to get a wheelie light set up. Let's crack this thing open, see what we got in here. Some t-shirts and everything for us. Oh, this wheelie light looks way beefier. Oh man, he hooked it up. We got some graphics here, which are the reflective Baja style graphics. That's going to be very useful here soon. And most importantly, the wheelie light that I was talking about. So this is the XL. This is the big boy version. This is sick. He builds all these in-house too, which is really, really dope. So as you saw before, right here on my pre-bug, we have one existing. Now this is a little bit bigger of a version, a little bit beefier. 12 o'clock Shadow XL right there. That is dope. And just clean little bits like this fancy little oil plug here for a Minarelli. So good quality stuff here. Now I'm not too sure if this is a just direct swap or if this is a whole new design that plugs into something else. But before, I had it hooked up to a little switch back here. So we're gonna have to pull this front panel off and really see kind of what's going on here, because I forgot how we wired this thing in last time. Noticeably different on how much bigger this light is now. So I'm kind of hoping it's a little bit more of a floodlight now than a spotlight, but this is definitely about double the size right here. Now we're gonna come in here and pop this front panel off real quick. This is the new one that is pre-order right now on the website. Now this one doesn't require a switch. This goes into the stock location. So I have a rectifier kit, and I also have a switch going up here, and I have wiring and jumped cables to make it work. And yeah, but I'm gonna leave this bike as is. And I think I'm gonna throw this on another bike to test out, because I have a bunch of wiring set up on here that I don't wanna undo. Well, I was gonna put it on this stock bike. I just remembered we have the pre-bug from Oregon here right now in Vegas. So that is definitely the bike I wanna put it on. Let's go grab that pre-bug, bring it in here. Oh man. Tandem, Harley scooter, bug eye, pre-bug. Let's get this thing out, boys. Jeez, this one has the freshy 12 bar on it. I always forget. Damn. We even got a spider on this one. Can you see the insane difference on this minimal wiring compared to what I got going on my other bike? Push it through following the speedo cable through the same holes. This one, I believe, is going to be plugging in right into off this ignition here. And that's it. Now simply, all we have to do is bolt it up to our forks. So it has more of a vertical shape to it. Look at that. See if she wants to stay running for the meantime though. Oh my gosh, she barely wants to run. Thought I'd show you guys that we now have 2 wheelie lights. This bike is the one that stays up in Oregon. It's perfect to finally have something like this, because wherever we ride, when you pop a wheelie, your headlights are in the sky and you can't see below you. This keeps it safe for everyone on the trail in front of you. If you want to check that light out or grab one for yourself, make sure you check out Zuma. The link will be down in the description down below. In other news, today is the day that we will be announcing the winner of our giveaway engine. So we are going to be doing that on a live stream right now, shortly in like an hour on Instagram, and selecting a winner for this. You'll see the winner here shortly, but this 70cc Plini Corsa is going to be sent out to one of you guys here today. So we will find a winner for that, and I'm stoked to be able to give this to somebody and get someone ripping on hopefully a Bug-Eye Zuma or whatever they decide to put this thing in. Let's cut to the riding clips.
We are rolling out, boys. We got everybody meeting up for the night ride right now, so best ride of the weekend, honestly. Let's go. What's up, buddy? Good, how you doing, man? Boys, we are pretty deep right now. It's a solid crew for a little night ride. This is homie with the broken leg right here. He has a cane on the back of his bike. He's over here popping it with a boot on. That is dedication right there. One thing about this ride though, you do not want to be too far back because it gets dusty, bro. I missed Seattle, boys. I missed it. The best bike trails, I swear, ever. You just pop out in the craziest spots in the city through some trails. Someone's exhaust pipe broke off. That's exactly what just happened. Bumps here are so rough though, you'll feel your spine compress when you hit them wrong. They are crucial. Oh. Take the hand off! That Zuma's clean. We are mobbing right now. Oh, he's in his kickstand. The bumps are crucial for the elites, dude. The elites sit low. Oh, damn. No way! Skylar had a wheelie going through there. Hit that Zuma wheelie, look like. It's funny, we do this ride, which is like just a straight thrasher on your bike, and then we go on this huge ride tomorrow where you just hope that you have the most reliable bike. This so contradictory because I feel like my bike is gonna collapse after tonight too. These bumps just make everything loose on my bike every time. This is like backroom vibes. Why is this whole entire city vacant right now? This whole area of the city is like, it looks like a fake, it looks like something in North Korea. It's all fake. Alright boys, GoPro died, but we pulled off over here. We're headed back out now to finish the ride. Not the best for the open carb right now. For the velocity filter. Not the best. She'll be alright. Oh! Dude! Dude on the body almost took me out. We're leaving. I know, we all paid you for gas. We all supported your business.
Yes, done, brother. You are trying to say that done gas. You check me. Done gas, please.
We're out of here. Yeah. Alright boys, little update. We've been riding for hours. It is now midnight. And we lost 75% of the people. We probably have maybe 10 people or less in the group right now. There you go, there you go, there you go. That was it.
Boys, that is going to do it for this video. We rode some sick trails. We gave away an engine. Right now, this is going to be for whoever wins the actual engine giveaway right here. So 70cc Polini Corsa horizontal Minarelli We're including some little fancy bits for your brake here with an OEM brake spring as well. Get you all fresh on all parts around the motor. So, and thank you for supporting MOPBOYZ regardless. I like doing the giveaways where there's merch involved because at least you're getting something. Even the people that didn't win, at least you got stickers and t-shirts for the same price no matter what. This motor's just a bonus for whoever wins. So this is for the engine giveaway. Come on, baby. Engine giveaway. 277. William Wendell. William Wendell. He had 2 entries, it looks like. Shout out William Wendell for winning, and Jose Ramos and other homie Max Liniguel for also 3rd place for getting a free entry into the next giveaway.
Hello?
Is this William?
It is.
Hey man, this is MOPBOYZ. You just won a horizontal Minarelli engine.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yes, sir. What kind of scooter do you have?
I got a Bug-Eye Zuma.
No way. That's perfect then. It's
Yeah.
perfect. Is it bone stock?
Yeah, it's bone stock right now.
Dude, you just won the best recipe ever. You got a motor plug and play right here for you.
Yeah, it's not going to be stock as soon as I get that motor in.
There you go. Hell yeah. Well,
Awesome.
I'm live on Instagram right now, but we just did the drawing and you won 1st place. So thank you for entering.
Thank you for putting this stuff on. That's really appreciated.
Yeah, of course, man. All right, I'll be in touch with you when I ship it out and everything.
Awesome, thank you.
All right, man. Take care.
Bye.
Dude, it has a Bug-Eye Zuma too. That's perfect. Wow. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Stay tuned for the next engine giveaway. Thank you to everybody who entered. And thank you guys for supporting MOPBOYZ. And that is all we got to do today. So congrats to the winner of the 70cc horizontal Minarelli. Until next giveaway, the website will be reopened next week in case you do want to grab some merch. There will be some merch still available on the website. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next one.